And I'm challenging you today. Go with that mindset in 2024 that I am made for more, and this more, you can get the best of the best. You deserve to be loved, you deserve to be respected. Never settle for less, never settle for mediocrity. Hi guys, so I recently came to this realization during one of our 1 hour prayers every night, and I'm like, let me come here to actually talk about it. And I'm here to tell you that you are made for more. I want you to go into 2024 with this mentality that you are made for more. I'm going to use myself as a personal example. Few like some months ago, where I am currently wasn't where I was, and at that period, at that point, I knew I'm made for more. And then I kept striving, and then I find myself here. And then I may feel that, oh, because I am here, I feel I'm comfortable, and then I want to settle. But no, until the world begins to feel your impact, then the best of you is yet to be seen. Until the world begins to hear of you, then the best of you the world has not seen nor have they known. Don't settle for less, don't settle for mediocrity. Live with that mindset that you are made for more. The thought of God for you are of good and for evil, to give you an expected end. That dream, that desire that God has placed in your mind, don't allow your past, don't allow your circumstances to actually shove you of, making that dream a reality. Like, I'm also talking to myself here because I've allowed circumstances surrounding me to actually sway me of the goals and dreams I've set for myself, or I'm feeling, oh, I'm not worthy of doing this anymore. But that is a lie. That is just the strategy of the devil. I'm here to remind you today, you are made for more. You find yourself in that job and you feel, oh, this is the best I can get. That's the lie. You can get the best of the best. Keep pushing. You, the best of you, the world is yet to see, and they will get to see that best. They will get to see that best of me. You find yourself in that relationship and then you feel, oh, this is the best I can get from a relationship. That is not true. You deserve better. You deserve to be loved. You deserve to be respected. Never settle for less. Never settle for mediocrity. You deserve the best of things in this life. And I'm challenging you today. Go with that mindset in 2024 that I am made for more, and this more, to the world hear of me, to the world feel this impact, then I'm not going to relax. I'm not going to give up. I will keep striving. I will keep pushing until I get to that greater height that God has destined me to be.